We are at 7753 28th Avenue Northwest, pulling back from City, Maine, post jetting. There were several spots of extreme root intrusion that I was able to get out. Prior to jetting, I explained to customer that line is super aggregate and that we would need to be careful at certain spots of jetting. So you will see some hairline roots that are in riskier areas, but no roots that would cause backup. Right here was the biggest one, and we were able to get that one very good. This one, unfortunately, we were not able to get all of it, but again, nothing that will cause a backup. After several attempts, it just wasn't going, and then line starts to get very aggregate, which you will see here shortly. Was able to get that one, which was coming and covering most of the pipe. This one as well. Line starts to get very aggregate right here. Bottom of that pipe, there you can't really tell what's going on, but you'll see the parts of rock that have kind of crumbled in the line. Explain to customer what next step should be. This was a risky area to jet as well, so was able to open it up enough to where roots won't cause backup, but just was a riskier area. Pretty big ones right here that I was able to get out. All the problem area roots we got out, but with the line being super aggregate, just wanted to be careful where we jetted. Explained to the customer that if the inspector wanted us to come out, it is covered under warranty, so we would come out and hit it a little bit better, but she just runs the risk of potentially damaging the aggregate pipe even more. And we are at the exterior clean out, located on the side of the home.